See, people, me and Robert are not dating. It's crazy.
I'm Vanessa.
You gotta get my tux.
Yes. You gotta get me.
Look at the computer sideways.
We're gonna dance just like.
Yeah, she did. He took very good.
I super zoomed and I was like, oh man, I didn't get her.
I super zoomed on you. Sprite.
It's for me.
Sprite's for men.
I endorse this product.
Look at the Sprite, then back at him. Look at the Sprite, then back at him. If you're looking at the Sprite, you wish you were him drinking it. Endorse Sprite.
Sprite. For men.
It's for men. Water is for me, which I
Attracts
need.
princesses.
Princess Bubblegum.
It also helps you fight off monsters on a hot day. Drink Sprite.
Sprite. Go.
Alright. Hopefully after all these dances my butt goes down.
What?
Need a moment? Tune over the Twix. You know, because that's a really good workout.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Shoot. I always do this.